Good morning, students. Welcome back to our moral science online class. Nice to meet you all again. I hope you all doing good. Students, first midterm test is over. I hope you all have done very well. Okay, students. Today we are moving on to a new chapter. Chapter 3, What Money Cannot Buy. Let's see the summary of the story. The birthday gift. Rennie Emmanuel was almost 10 years old. Her family was very rich. They had a big house and car. They have many servants to take care of all the works on the house. One day, Rennie's father, Mr. Emmanuel, asked her, "What do you want for a birthday?" He asked her to go for a shopping or order anything through internet with his support. Rennie asked her father she wanted a present this time that money cannot buy. Her parents were in the state of confusion. What Rennie is about to tell? She told her parents that she will not reveal surprise before her birthday. Rennie got off early on her birthday. She went to kitchen to make a sandwiches and packed it on a picnic basket. Her parents were surprised to see their daughter hard at work. They hugged her and wished her a very happy birthday. Rennie called out her parents and told them that was time to give her the birthday gift. There's something money cannot buy. Mr. Emmanuel took the day off from his office and they all came out with a old picnic basket and got onto the bus. They went to the beach and walked gently along the seashore. They had lot of fun time, remembering the olden days. They ate sandwiches from the basket and bought the ice cream from the vendor on the beach. They walked into the water. Rennie's mother ran along the beach waving a balloon. Rennie's father was just remembering when was the last time we felt free and so happy. It was the time to return home. Everyone felt sad. Rennie thanked her parents for giving her a pleasant gift on her birthday that money cannot buy. Rennie's parents hugged her and Rennie's mother told her, "What a wise one, little girl. You are thank you, showing us what money cannot buy. We thought of presenting you gift, but you have as a much bigger present today we cannot forget during our lifetime." Next, I will read the lesson once again. Are you understand this story? Rennie Emmanuel was almost 10 years old. Her family was wealthy. Wealthy means rich. They lived in a big house and had big horse. There were many maids. Maids means servants to take care of all the work in the house. "What do you want for your birthday, Rennie?" asked her father. "You can go shopping and buy whatever you want, or I can order it on the internet." Rennie had a surprise for them. She said, "This time I want a present that money cannot buy." Her father and mother were puzzled. Puzzled means confused. "When did Rennie mean?" "I will tell you on my birthday and not before," said Rennie. She did not say anything else about her plan. Rennie got up early on her birthday. She went downstairs to the kitchen to make sandwiches and pack a picnic basket. When her parents came downstairs, they were surprised and delighted to see their daughter. Delighted means happy, hard at work. They hugged her and wished her a very happy birthday. Come on, said Rennie. It's the time to give me my birthday gift. Something money cannot buy. What do you think the Emmanuel family did on Rennie's birthday? Mr. Emmanuel took the day off from his office. They set off with an old picnic basket and got onto a bus. They went to the beach and walked slowly along the shore. They talked and laughed and remembered old times. They ate sandwiches from the basket and ice cream from the vendor. Vendor means seller. Seller on the beach. They waded into the water. Waded means walking with effort through water. Mrs. Emmanuel ran along the beach waving a balloon. Waving means flying the balloon. This is fun, thought Mr. Emmanuel. When was the last time I felt so free and happy? The Emmanuels had such a good time that they were sad when it was time to go home. Thank you, said Rennie to her parents. Thank you for the best birthday I have never had. Both the parents hugged their daughter. What a wise little girl. Wise means intelligent. You are. Rennie, said Mrs. Emmanuel. Thank you for showing us what money cannot buy. We wanted to give you a present, but you gave us a much bigger present today. Sometimes it seems as if the whole world is one big mall. Seems means appeared. Big mall, shopping center. Mall is a shopping center. Is otherwise marketplace. It is so easy to walk into a marketplace and buy all the things you want if you have the money to pay for them. If your friend invites you to her birthday party, you go to a store and buy him a nice gift. All this buying and selling all around us all the time leads us to think that money can buy everything. We must remind ourselves that there are many things that money cannot buy. Next, moving on to let's understand. Happiness depends on having a lovely family and intelligent mind, a good character, talents for arts, music, and sports, and a true friendship. We all know that money has value. We need money to buy our food and cloth and lot of other things. But there are things in life that are equally important and money cannot buy them. Look at this flower and its message. It shows you some of the things money cannot buy. How can we earn these things that money cannot buy? We can do it by building a good character with good values, by building strong relationships and family and friends, and by helping others as much as possible. We should use our talents wisely and well. We should use our talent wisely and well. Most of all, we should have a cheerful attitude to life. We need not feel sad if we do not have costly things. Many of the things you can count do not count. Many of the things you cannot count really count, says Albert Einstein. Once again, I remember you. How can we earn these things that money cannot buy? We can do it by building a good character with good values, by building strong relationships with family and friends, and by helping others as much as possible. We should use our talents wisely and well. Most of all, we should have a cheerful attitude to life. We need not feel sad if we do not have costly things. Many of the things you can count do not count. Many of the things you cannot count really count, says Albert Einstein. Happiness depends on having a loving family, an intelligent mind, a good character, talents for arts, music, and sports, and a true friendship. Let's talk it over. Rohit was looking rather unhappy. His father noticed and asked him about it. All my classmates have iPods and video games. I know you do not have the money to buy for them for me. When will you become rich, Pa? Rohit's father smiled. He was a wise man. What do you think? He said to Rohit. I will be rich when I get my next promotion. I am already rich. I have your mother and you and your sister. We have enough for our needs. We are all well and we love one another. We are already rich. Often, when people are jealous of other people's wealth, they become discontented. Sometimes they become greedy. Then they are tempted to lie, cheat, steal, or become violent. Their greed ruins their characters, spoils their lives, and harms others. But all are many wealthy people who are wise and charitable. They give money to educate and feed poor children. Isn't this is a much better way of using money than to buy many costly things we do not really need? What about those who do not have money to give to charity? Can they give something that money cannot buy? Yes, they can. They can share their time and give love and happiness to others. Okay, students, have you understood? Students, here is an activity for you. Take page number 24, see the fourth question. Draw your own picture in the space given in the page number 25. Things you cannot buy in stores. Complete the activity and submit on 11/9/2021. Next, let's see the meanings. Maids, servants. Maids, servants. Puzzled, confused. Vendor, seller. Seller, vendor, seller. Greed, avarice. Eager, greed, eager. Delighted, happy. Delighted, happy. Violent, extremely powerful. Violent, extremely powerful. Watered, walk with effort through water. Next one, filling the blanks. Rennie Emmanuel family was very wealthy. Rennie Emmanuel family was very wealthy. Emmanuel family ate sandwiches from the basket and ice cream from the window on the beach. Many wealthy people who are wise and charitable. Many wealthy people who are wise and charitable. Parents hugged her and wished her a very happy birthday. Rennie packed sandwiches on a picnic basket. Next, true or false? Rennie's family had two big cars. False. Rennie revealed the surprise to her parent before her birthday. False. Rennie's family bought the ice cream from the window on the beach. True. Renee's mother told Renee that she was not wise. False. Renee's family went to the beach on a bus. True. That's okay, students. That's all today's topic. I hope you all have understood. If you have any doubt, contact me. Go through the book on today's topic. What money cannot buy. Later, I will send question answers on today's topic through WhatsApp group. Okay, students. Thank you all.